I don't know, it's been 36 days since the mission on the moon. I promised to spend Christmas with Anthony. I guess I will have to go back on my word. I'm really sorry for Anthony. I don't know what Danny bought him for. Probably the Discovery model. Hurry up and finish the mission. Make a video call to him before he goes to bed.
Hello, my space friend.
Wow, isn't this Santa Claus? Why did you come to the moon too? Or is your home on the moon?
No, my house is not here. I just came to give you a Christmas present.
Christmas present?
Yes, I have received a letter from your son Anthony asking me to send you a Christmas present from far away on the moon so that you will not spend Christmas alone.
Oh God, my good Anthony. Thank you indeed for coming to the moon to give me the gifts, Santa Claus.
You are welcome. I exist to grant your wishes, so take your gifts and have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.